Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by prepping the natural nail so chrome lays flat and smooth. Push back cuticles, lightly buff to remove shine, then wipe with alcohol to remove dust. Make sure nails are fully dry. Apply a thin, even builder or gel base and cure under the appropriate lamp for the recommended 30-60 seconds. Once done, check surface consistency. The base must be tack-free only if the chrome product requires a tacky layer. Follow that choice to ensure adhesion and reflectivity for the next step. You apply the color layer that will show beneath the chrome. One thin coat may work, but often 2 thin coats give depth. Cure fully between each. Make sure to use the correct top condition. Some chromes require a tacky layer, others need a full no-wipe top. Follow the chrome manufacturer's guidance. Once ready, press chrome powder onto the nail with a soft sponge or fingertip, buffing until mirror finish appears. After achieving coverage, remove loose powder with a soft brush before final sealing. You finish by sealing the chrome with a thin compatible top coat, no wipe if the chrome requires it, and cure for the full recommended time, typically 60-120 seconds. Make sure to wipe around edges before curing if needed, then apply cuticle oil once nails are cool. If the chrome looks dull or patchy, lightly reapply a small amount of powder to the affected area and reseal. Avoid overly thick top coats that will soften the mirror effect. One key tip: if lifting occurs, remove and reprep the nail fully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.